अतिरिक्त सत्र न्यायालयान पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर जाल्ल्या हल्लो प्रकरणात सुनावणी कांय दिसां खातीर फुडें धुकल्ल्या. जो मेरेन उच्च न्यायालय ह्या विशयीचो निर्णय दिना तो पर्यंत सुनावणी जावपाक शकना. उच्च न्यायालय एका सप्तका भितर हो निर्णय दितले अशें आदवोगाद नितीन सारदेसायान सांगले.
पणजेचो आमदार आतानासियो बाबूश मोन्सेरात आनी ताची घरकान्न महसूल मंत्री जेनिफर, पणजेचो आदलो महापौर टॉनी रॉड्रिगीस आनी हेर 36 आरोपी 2008 जाल्ल्या पुलीस स्टेशन हल्लो प्रकरणात आस्पावीत आसात. गेल्या 7 वर्सां सावन हे प्रकरण उच्च न्यायालयांत अजून प्रलंबीत आसा. हाची सुनावणी आयज अतिरिक्त सत्र न्यायालयांत परत जाली. हे सुनावणेक जेनिफर मोन्सेरात हजर आशिल्ली, पूण बाबूश नाशिल्लो. पळयात.
The matter was in the High Court and it's been kept for orders. So the Honorable Sessions Judge has said that it is going to take up the matter only after the High Court decides. Now the decision of the High Court is not been announced yet as to when it will be delivered, but it could be given any time this week. So after that happens, the court will again issue notice to the accused depending upon what's the result at the High Court. See, if you all recollect, at the High Court a case has been filed saying that there is no material to frame a charge against those people who have moved the High Court. If the High Court finds favour with them, then there is no question of they being told to appear before the district court or sessions court. But if the High Court is against us, then of course all will have to appear here, which date the court said will intimate only after the High Court decides.
All the accused appeared?
Most of them appeared.
Including Babush?
Babush has not appeared.
So what is the next date now?
No, court has not given a date. It will all depend upon what happens at the High Court. So you all be in readiness to cover the High Court proceedings.
गोवा 365 खातीर म्हापशेच्यान संदीप कामुलकार.